So guys, let's create a new project. Select the video you like. Let's go with this one. Now we are inside our main project. Select PIP. Then here we have two overlay files. You can download them from the video description. Select the black and white one. Pinch out to zoom in. Look for blend. Use filter or lighten. Select the original video, position it properly. Now import the second overlay, zoom in and just place it like you want. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.